Today we are going to learn how you can install and run Anaten on your local machine. As you know that you can go on anaten.io and then get started, and it will give you a 14 days trial on their cloud platform. But if you want to run it locally, it's very simple. You just go to nodejs.org first of all, then click on get Node.js, and then based on your operating system, for example, if you have Windows, choose your Windows and which microprocessor architecture you have. Download the installer and install it. Once the Node.js is installed, you go to documentation on Anaten, open your terminal, and simply just put a command called npx n8n. What it does is it installs all the required libraries on your local machine and then runs it on your local host. So this is the URL. So in order to run it, just click on O and then it will open your local instance of your Anaten. So for this purposes, I'm gonna put my email address here. And then password, and then next, and that's pretty much it. That's how you run the Anaten on the local machine. So I'm going to just select some options here quickly, and then it should get you a free license key. So you can skip this or click on send me a free license key also. So this is how you run your Anaten on your local machine. Now you can start building your workflow here. Perfect. If you have any other question, let me know.